I start my workday early, check my emails first, then grab some coffee, get things ready, then the meetings begin. I talk about my tasks, write emails, take some calls, I join my team on Zoom.
Before we start, check the first pinned comment below. You'll find a free PDF with the full transcript, key vocabulary from this video, and some fun exercises to help you practice even more.
Welcome to Stories to Learn English, the channel where your English gets better every day. Hit subscribe and let's get started.
Hey there. You know that moment when someone asks, "So, what do you do?" And your brain just freezes? Yeah, we've all been there.
And not because you don't know what you do. You know exactly what your job is. But saying it in English can feel awkward, confusing, or just plain hard.
Exactly. You want to sound natural, confident, like you're not searching for every single word.
Like you're not trying to build a sentence with a dictionary in your head. I'm Cassidy, and today I've got backup. Meet Jake.
Hey, I'm Jake, and we're here to make one thing easier. Talking about your job in real, natural English.
Whether you work from home, go to the office, or do something totally different, this video is for you.
We'll share real phrases that people use every single day when talking about work.
And we're not just reading you a list, we're going to walk through them together in a real conversation.
You'll hear how we actually talk about our jobs, what we say when someone asks about our day, and even how we describe our schedule. No grammar stress, just real talk.
Then you'll hear a simple song that uses all those phrases in context, so you can remember them naturally, like lyrics stuck in your head.
If speaking English feels hard or frustrating sometimes, this is your chance to feel more relaxed and confident, especially when talking about something you know well, your own job.
So if that sounds like something that will help you, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe. That way, YouTube knows this kind of content helps you, and it'll show you more videos just like this one.
All right, let's step into a real conversation between two coworkers and start unlocking the phrases that'll make your English sound more natural.
Okay, let's talk about our day at work.
So, Cassidy, what's a normal work day like for you?
Well, I usually start around 8:30. First thing, I check my emails, always.
Same here. I check my emails first thing in the morning. That's a good phrase. Super common.
Yeah, and then I make coffee. I can't really function without it.
Who can? I make coffee before I do anything else. Classic office survival.
Right. Then I have a team meeting around 9 a.m. We usually talk about what everyone's working on.
We have a team meeting at 9. We talk about tasks and deadlines.
Right. Then I work on my tasks. I write emails, review documents, and sometimes I join video calls.
Those are great phrases for anyone learning. I write emails. I join video calls. I review documents.
Sometimes I just try to stay awake.
Yeah, that too.
Around noon, I take a lunch break. I usually eat at my desk. Not the healthiest, but it saves time.
I take a lunch break. I eat at my desk.
And what about you, Jake? What's your day like?
I work from home most days, so I start around 9 a.m. after I drop my kids off at school.
Oh, that's nice. You don't have to commute.
Nope. So I say this a lot. I work remotely. Or I work from home.
Great phrases. Super useful nowadays.
My mornings are quiet. I answer emails, prepare reports, and sometimes call clients.
Let's say that again for the folks at home. I answer emails. I prepare reports. I call clients.
Right. And sometimes I say, my job involves a lot of communication.
That's a great one for my job involves dot, dot, dot. You can say, my job involves meetings. My job involves problem solving.
Exactly. In the afternoon, I usually take a short break, stretch, grab coffee, check in with coworkers.
And maybe scroll your phone for a few minutes.
Guilty. I say I take a quick break to recharge.
I take a quick break. I need to recharge.
Then, I usually finish up by 5 p.m. I send my final emails and make a to-do list for the next day.
Great ending phrases. I finish work at 5. I make a to-do list for tomorrow.
And when someone asks about my job, I usually say I work in sales or I help businesses grow.
That's nice and simple. I say, I work in communications, or I write content for online platforms.
And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Even just saying, I have a job in marketing or I work for a company is enough to keep the conversation going.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Keep it real.
Now, you've just heard more than 15 useful phrases, all things real people say at work every day.
And soon, you're going to hear them all again, but this time in a song.
A song designed to help you remember and repeat these phrases with rhythm and ease.
So stick with us, because music makes learning feel natural. And when the phrases stick in your head, they come out of your mouth more easily too.
Let's listen to the song and hear these phrases come to life.
I start my workday early, check my emails first, then grab some coffee, get things ready, then the meetings begin. I talk about my tasks, write emails, take some calls. I join my team on Zoom. We share updates with all our work from home. I work from home. This is how I start my day. I review some documents, prepare reports to send. Sometimes I call my clients, it depends on how it ends. I talk about my tasks, write emails, take some calls. I join my team on Zoom. We share updates with all our work from home. I work from home. This is how I start my I take a break for lunch, usually at my desk, then back to work again. Gotta finish up the rest. My job keeps me busy, deadlines every day, but I love what I do and I always find a way. I talk about my tasks, write emails, take some calls. I join my team on Zoom. We share updates with all our work from home. I work from home. This is how I end my day. I finish work at 5, make a to-do list for tomorrow. Then I shut down my laptop and I breathe. See you tomorrow.
All right, that was fun. And now let's break down some of the phrases from the song so you can feel more confident using them in real life.
Yeah,
Let's start from the top. The first line was, I start my workday early. This is a great way to talk about your schedule. You can change the word early to anything, like I start my workday late, or I start around 10 a.m.
Or just say, I usually start at 9. Simple, natural.
Next, we had check my emails first thing. This is short for I check my emails first thing in the morning. It just means it's the first thing you do.
A super common phrase in the office. You can also say, I always check my messages first. Or, I look at my inbox first thing.
Then we heard grab some coffee, get things ready. Simple and casual. Grab some coffee means you go get a cup. And get things ready is like setting up your space or preparing for your tasks.
After that, I talk about my tasks. Easy. You can also say, I explain what I'm working on. Or, I share my to-do list.
And write emails, take some calls. These are perfect phrases for daily tasks. You can say, I send emails, I make calls, or I respond to messages.
We also heard, I join my team on Zoom, which just means I go into a video meeting. You can change this depending on the app you use. I have a meeting on Google Meet. I jump on a call with the team.
Then we share updates with all. That means everyone tells the team what they're working on. You can say, we give updates. We share progress.
Remember this one too. I work from home. That's one of the most useful phrases today.
You can also say, I work remotely, or even, I have a home office.
Next part of the song, I take a break for lunch, which is just stopping for food.
You can also say, I eat around noon, or I grab a quick lunch.
Then, my job keeps me busy. That's a great expression. It means you have a lot to do. You can also say, my schedule is packed, or there's always something going on.
The last one, I make a to-do list for tomorrow. That just means you write down your next tasks.
I write my next steps. I plan my day ahead. All great phrases for staying organized.
And that's the magic. Simple, real phrases. No complex grammar, no pressure.
If you use just 2 or 3 of these in your day, you're already making progress.
Now, let's hear the song one more time. But this time, it's your turn to sing along.
Let the music guide you. Sing with us, repeat the phrases, and let them become part of your real English. Now it's your turn.
Sing with us. Let the rhythm help you remember the phrases.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just follow the melody and speak naturally.
Even if you only sing a few lines, you're training your brain to think in English.
So breathe, relax, and let's go.
I start my workday early, check my emails first, then grab some coffee, get things ready, then the meetings begin. I talk about my tasks, write emails, take some calls. I join my team on Zoom. We share updates with all. I work from home. I work from home. This is how I start my day. I review some documents and prepare reports.
That was great. You did it.
Seriously, every time you sing, you're learning faster without even realizing it.
And these phrases, they're part of you now.
Let's carry that confidence into real conversations, at work, with friends, or anytime someone asks about your day.
You're building real English, one line at a time.
You did something powerful today. You didn't just listen. You spoke, you sang, and you practice real English, the kind people actually use.
Every time you repeat these phrases, you're building your fluency, bit by bit, phrase by phrase.
So don't stop here. Keep going. Use these sentences tomorrow. Say them out loud. Make them part of your day.
And if this video helped you, if you feel more confident now, hit that like button and subscribe.
It's not just about the algorithm. When you like and subscribe, YouTube shows you more videos like this, videos that help you speak English naturally.
Leave a comment and tell us, what was your favorite phrase from today's song?
We'd love to see what stuck with you. We're here with you. Every step, every phrase, every word. See you in the next song.